A simple way how to make a homemade mask. Get your desire of a new piece of sock, whether it's a full length or an ankle sock. Cut off the ends so you have a nice square piece. Now cut through each end towards the middle. And you should have something like this. Obviously the larger the sock, the better. This size will be perfect for kids, but can fit on adults too. Add your filter and you're done. So if you don't have any other mask, then you can make one just like this in 1 minute. You can try out this method on any of the socks. A reusable mask with a filter pocket with a cool design. Take care, peace.